Hello. So today we will be making a ping pong game and I've already got the paddle and the ball. So let's start with the code. First go on the ball sprite and select when flags clicked, point in direction 45. Then go to control, grab a forever loop and move 10 steps and if on edge then bounce. So it is right here. So now grab another when flags clicked and go to control, grab a forever loop and if statement and then go to sensing and if touching paddle. So then mm, turn like this, turn right, pick random and it will be 180 degrees. So another thing we need is change color effect by 25. So this is quite a simple code for making the ball move anywhere it wants. And let's go to the paddle and when the game starts, so we want it to let's say forever and an if statement. So when space right arrow is pressed, then change x by 5 and then duplicate this one. Sorry, duplicate this, start this, left arrow is pressed, then change by -5. I think 10 will be quite good because this will get. So yeah, so now when we test this, the ball goes and this changes color. So this is a pretty simple thing that we want. So yeah, this is a basic ping pong game that we have made quite a simple version of it. So yeah, let's play a little bit. Uh-oh, quite bad at this game. So yeah, and this is what's happening like this. That's some bug we have to fix. That will happen a little bit like this. So when it goes down. So yeah, this is how we make a simple scratch ping pong game. And scratch ping pong game. Hope you like the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel, Scratchastic. Thanks for watching. Bye.